going on, guys? This is Alex from Card Fever. Today I'm going to be opening a box of 2018 Score. Recently Brett has opened a box of this on the channel. I'm not sure what he opened. What'd you get from that?
Chris Harris Jr. jersey card.
Chris Harris Jr. jersey card.
Saquon rookie, Josh Allen, Josh Rosen.
And a couple good rookies. So hoping for the same deal with the rookies. Hopefully get something different with the hit though.
Yeah, maybe a good rookie hit.
12 cards in each pack, 11 packs. Can I get a hashtag who do you collect? Please and thank you. That's a lot of packs. Go get yourself a snack. It's going to be a while. Pause the video though. 2018 Score. Do us right, please. We got the DJ Humphries, Jordy, Allen Hurns, Juice, Pirine, TJ Watt. Oh, baby. This is my second Shaquem Griffin. This one's gold, though. I don't know if they're numbered. They're not. Gold border Shaquem Griffin. Very nice. All hands team of Cole Beasley. We got a Devontae Adams celebration insert. Very nice. Calvin Ridley, been on fire lately. Chase Edmonds and a Taven Bryan. Gatorade Taven Bryan. Wow, I haven't seen many football cards of them. Kyle Long. Brandon Williams. Melvin Gordon. Frank Gore, D. Laney Walker, Fletcher Cox, and a Theo Riddick silver scoreboard score insert. All hands team, Julian Edelman, and that next card, I don't know if you guys saw that, but be ready. A draft insert, Sam Darnold, University of Southern California. Vita Vea, rookie card. Wow, I've never heard of this guy. Jake Wieneke, rookie card. And a Deion Kane rookie. So far, so good. I like the back cover here. Got an Ebron. Jamie Collins. Dante Foreman. Jared Goff, man's on fire. Cameron Brate, Bruce Irvin, Huddle Up, Houston Texans insert. All hands team, Rob Gronkowski. Fantasy Stars, Tom Brady. Mark Walton rookie card, Mason Rudolph rookie card, and a JT Barrett rookie card. Ed Dixon, Justin Hardy, the GOAT, Mason Crosby, also the GOAT, Travis Kelce, Gerald McCoy, Navarro Bowman, all hands team. Man, this is a famous insert, huh? Another Rob Gronkowski. Is that the same card? Same card, Rob Gronkowski, all hands team. Got one of those in every pack, I think. Captain's insert of Russell Wilson. Minka Fitzpatrick, the real Fitzmagic, so he claims. Brenman and Dante Pettis. So the all hands team inserts are famous to begin with. I think that's the jersey card. That's pretty thick. Save that for last. Jordan Poyer, Scandrick, Allen Robinson, in the wrong jersey, but da Bears. Ryan Tannehill, Eli Apple, Chris Thompson, Joe Hayden, Signal Callers, Tyrod Taylor and the Bills uni, Darius Geis, get better, buddy, draft insert, Billy Price, rookie card, Deshaun Hand, rookie card, and a James Washington, rookie card. All right. I need some Bears heat, dude. Jaron Brown. There we go. Josh Bellamy. Probably the worst Bear card I could have got, but you know what? Josh Bellamy. Mike Williams. Brandon Cooks. In the wrong uniform. Jadeveon Clowney. Rashard Matthews. A Josh Gordon, also in the wrong uniform. Gold score. Not numbered. Michael Thomas, all hands team. And a Todd Gurley captain's insert. And the rookies, Josh Adams, Rashawn Evans, and a Maurice Hurst. Give me a Baker. Give me a Baker Mayfield. Baker Mayfield card. I haven't got it. I don't think I've ever paid it. I haven't pulled a Baker Mayfield card all year. Brashard Perriman, Golden Tate III, Joe Thomas, the GOAT, Ragland, Reggie Ragland, Anthony Barr, Aguilar, Matt Forte, wow, silvered scoreboard score insert, and a sidelines Gerald McCoy insert, and a Fantasy Stars Ezekiel Elliott insert, and the rookie cards. Goolsby got his autograph yesterday. He's undrafted, so not worth anything. Alan Lazard and a Akram Wadley. I hope you're not watching Mr. Goolsby, but got your autograph. Yeah, decent autograph. Just yeah, I don't think you're going worth. Not worth much, buddy. Couldn't even find it on eBay. We got Curtis Samuel, Claiborne, Ty Montgomery, Eric Berry, OJ, Edwards Jr., Mike Evans, sidelines Travis Kelce, Ronald Jones, the second draft insert. There we are. Look at that. Look at that. Thank you, God. You like that, Aaron? Yeah. Baker Mayfield, Kyle Laletta, and Javon Wims, the Bear. All right. Best rookies we pulled so far. Baker and the Javon Wims.
Baker, you got Klein, you got
Yeah, we've pretty. They give you some good rookies in here, man. They don't short you on rookies. There's 3 rookies in every pack.
At least 3 rookies.
Yeah, at least 3. Sanders. Kirkpatrick, my bad. Case Keenum for the Vikings. Ansah. Leonard Fournette. Richard Sherman for the Seahawks. Rogers Cromartie. Scoreboard, Andy Dalton. Dude had a week this past week against the Saints. No, it's not right. The Falcons.
Yeah.
The Falcons. AJ Green and Julio battling it out. Travis Kelce. Captain's insert. We got a Petway, a Sutton, and a Ronald Jones the second. All right. 2 packs to go. All these cards, man. And we're still at 2 packs to go. Peterman, Dan Bailey, the GOAT, Patrick Peterson, Desmond King, Sammy Watkins, Carlos Hyde, Eli, Scoreboard, Russell Wilson, Kareem Hunt, Celebration, Good looking card. All right. I think we got a Kerryon Johnson. Please be Kerryon Johnson. Justin Jackson, Carlton Davis, and Trey Quinn. All right. Last pack. It's a thickie. Thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Extra thick. All right, let's do the, got another all hands team, so. All hands team, Julian Edelman. A huddle up, Dallas Cowboys. Get into these rookies. Got a Kalen Ballage. Lamar, decent. And a Harrison Phillips. Aqib Talib. Jabril Peppers. Dalvin. Josh McCown. Eric Reed and okay, upside down. Okay, all right. Home and away. This is going to be numbered, I believe. Patrick Mahomes. So a good card to have right now. I think this is numbered. Maybe not. I thought it was numbered. Maybe not, but you know what? A hell of a card to pull at this time of the season with how hot he is. What do they call him? They call him Showtime. Patrick Showtime Mahomes the second. So the all white. That's a pretty nice. It's not like that. You don't get the holes in this one. This one's just a straight white piece. So very nice. All right, man. On top of the Mahomes, we got some decent rookies. Got the Baker, and we got the the Lamar Jackson, and plus like Sam Darnold and like 130 cards for $20. Plus this Patrick Mahomes home and away memorabilia card. So kind of turned up today. Score turned up today for us, right, Aaron? All right, we'll see you next time on Fever.